Here comes the posse of ducks. Meat birds are just enjoying the sun and some grass. The ducks are cute. They got all blue eyes. I don't know where the red-eyed one went. Looks like a lot, but at this size, if you were to kill any of them at this size here, it's not really that much meat. They're like kind of like a little chicken fry right now at this size. Maybe like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, I don't know. The ducks are pretty cool. I gotta say they're my favorite. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy them as much. Once all the meat birds are gone off this side, then the ducks will pretty well be able to roam around on this side. Obviously won't keep as many drakes, but it's gonna be fun to see how they turn out. They're growing so big. They're still yellow. I just filled up the 50-pound feeder for them, so. Some of them are way whiter. Some people were saying that the birds were getting to size. Now these aren't your regular Cornish cross. These are what we get here in Atlantic Canada. We call them meat kings. I believe, I don't know what they're actually bred with. You guys can correct me, that's fine. But they're not your typical Cornish cross. So these ones, they do grow really big. I mean, look at the size of their legs. Their legs are massive. So their legs get very big so that they can stabilize their foundation, because these birds get really chunky fast. Your Muscovy ducks, I don't know a whole lot about them. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot more people out there, you know, that know more about these ducks than I do. Originally I only wanted a few, and turned out to be like, look at the size of that duck here compared to like these little ones here. Like, so muddy. Look at, they're freaking playing in the mud. They'd rather eat the mud. Look at them. What a bunch. So weird. They'd rather get all muddy. This is why ducks are dirty, holy smokes. It's like watching a bunch of kids play in the mud. So I'm going to build them a nice little pool out of a 600-liter tote. I'm going to cut it low and use the drain on the bottom as a drain. Watch the ducks all run now. They're going to follow each other. enjoying watching them get dirty. No wonder my coop's soaking wet. Holy smokes. I'm going to, I don't know where I'm going to put the, I gotta just put a bunch of like grass all in one spot, but I gotta like build a box or something, I don't know. That way there they can like always have grass, and I'll just pick grass and put it there instead of throwing it all around. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm going to do. Have a good day. Cheers. Hope you're all enjoying your long weekend. Love y'all. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing to my channel. Means a lot. Have a good day. Bye.